Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Viera, Florida. We're going to show you this amazing luxurious home behind me. It's all single story, 4,350 square feet of living. Also, it's got an amazing outdoor living space as well, all on close to an acre of property. So it's definitely something that's unusual for the new build. This is a custom builder, which means you can change things up as much as you want. And if you are interested in their model home, this one right behind me that we're going to take a walk through here in a short few minutes, it is available for sale for $2,050,000. So just give me a call and let me know if you're interested in it. And also make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and look at the floor plan and then take a walk through of this beautiful home. All right, so let's go ahead and do that walkthrough. As you can see my shadow right there on the driveway. We have a very, very sunny day here in Florida. It's December 26, 2020, and it is a beautiful, beautiful day here in Central Florida. So if you're looking for those nice winters, this is definitely a place to check out. So what we have over here, we have a 2-car garage here and actually has a door on the other side. We'll show you that once we go in. And then here's the front entry. It's got some really nice designs there. You can see how that has that little blue design there as well going across, and also the roof line is really nice. And then over here, we do even have little shutters on the windows there, and then another 2-car garage over here. And the lot itself is a very large lot, a little bit under an acre of property. So to me, the ideal amount, not too much, not too little. So we have some really nice windows here. So custom builders, you can pretty much do whatever you want with a custom builder and build a home that you want that fits your needs. So as we go in here, we have these doors here. These here, I know you can't feel them, but they're very, very, very heavy doors. They go all the way up. They're very tall as well. And then we're welcomed by this beautiful entryway. We have the tray ceilings there in the family room that are lit up, as you can see. Nice fireplace that actually works. I've gone by it a couple times and it's putting out some nice heat. And then here to the right, this is the office. This is currently where the sales rep works out of, Karen. She's here daily to show the home. Be more than happy to help you and introduce you to Karen as well if you're looking to buy a custom home or help you with any custom builders anywhere in the state of Florida. So, and then we go over this direction here. We have our formal dining room area, as you can see. And it has a really cool wine closet there that goes up and down there, as you can see with the doors, and also the mirror to make that dining room look even bigger than it is, which it doesn't need to do. It's over 4,300 square feet. So it's got plenty of space as it is. What I really like about this home is it's got different living spaces. So we'll go down here first. I'm gonna show you this living space here in a minute, but we're gonna go down here first and show you, this is the entryway into the home. It's got really nice tile work. and also nice shelving. And then we have a laundry room over here, plenty of built-in cabinetries. And then we also have the window here looking out, as you can see, on the beautiful day that we have here today. So let's go ahead and look into this garage, just so you get an idea of how they do this garage here. So we have the typical 2-car garage here, but it's kind of big as it is. And then we also have another garage entry over there, as you can see. So plenty of space in this garage. You can put a little golf cart there if you wanted to drive the golf cart through the community, or if you had something that was a little bit taller, you could do there. But of course, these are custom built only if you want this specific home. And again, this specific home is for sale for $2,050,000. So let's go ahead and go back this way, and let me show you that first little separate living space. So as we come over here, we go through these double doors here, which are hidden doors. They hide right into the framing there, as you can see. So that saves up quite a bit of space. And we have our little bar area here, wine fridge, little sink, and your cabinetry there. And then we have a full bathroom here. And then we have a living room space that looks out onto a private courtyard. And then we go this way here. This will be bedroom number 2 with plenty of space. And then on the other side, we have bedroom number 3 right here. And this one also has its own private bathroom. So if we go back this direction here, we'll go and keep on going to the left. We'll give you a nice little view of the family room area. And then we have this amazing kitchen area here with this round countertop. The whole kitchen's sort of like a semicircle. It's really a neat design. This is a gas range over there, so it's a gas community. A lot of people like that gas for the consistency of cooking, or at least that's what they tell me. And then we have the kitchen cabinets going around through here as well. And then we have our pantry right here. Plenty of space. They even have a little wine fridge in the pantry as well. And then if we go this direction here, it actually has a oven in the pantry. I think that's a first for me, seeing an oven in a pantry. So let's go over here. Now this is a separate little living area. So there's second living area. As you can see here, we have the tray ceilings with the lights going through the tray ceilings. Again, I really like that look. And then it's like a living room, but we're behind these French doors here. So we come into this little area. It's got another set of doors going out to the pool area, which is an amazing pool area. We'll show you that in a minute. And then we have our little sitting area here to watch TV. But then we go over this direction here. We have a storage space here. And then we have a full bath here. And then we also have bedroom number 4 right here, with an amazing views out into the lake that's behind this home. So you can see here, a nice day. And look at the property, plenty of property. Very hard to find brand new construction with this much property anywhere in the Central Florida area. This community here in Viera definitely has that as an option. So let's go ahead. We'll show you the breakfast nook area here. And then going back into the family room. And then we'll go outside and show you the outside living area. So if you can hear some background noise, that's this waterfall coming down here on the pool. So I think they spent $160,000 or $170,000 on this specific pool alone. So you have the waterfall coming down into this little area here. And then of course it goes over the sides and into the main pool, where you have a nice sized pool from one side to the other. Actually a pretty large pool. And then of course you have the rest of your outdoor living area here. and backyard with the view, with the lake view. And then also looking back at it this way here, you can see all the outdoor living space that this actual home has. So we're gonna go over to the other side and show you the outdoor kitchen area as well. And another thing here, another thing to look at is even the ceilings have woodworking in the ceilings. And again, if you're interested in this specific home, they do have it available. It's a little bit over $2 million is what they're asking for, and they do have a 1-year lease back on it, which means that after they lease it back from you for a year, then after that, you're able to move in. They even have the surround sound speakers in the ceilings as well. You can see them here also. And then we come back down here and show you this outdoor kitchen with a nice granite countertop. And we have our barbecue. So nice little bar area here. If you're here and you're having a whole bunch of guests, you can have your bar area here, and then have all this extra entertainment space here as well. And you can open up all these sliding glass doors. Like this one here is a sliding glass door for the primary bedroom, and you can see it is a quadruple slider, and it all actually goes into this space here. So when you open it up, that whole section right there will be open. And they do the same thing for the family room area as well, as you can see here. And then they do have the door for the full bathroom, pool bath right there. So let's go ahead and go back inside. As we come back in, we'll take another good shot of the family room area with the fireplace. That actually is a nice warming fireplace right now. It's a little bit chilly today. It's in the 50s, which is cold for Florida. And then the kitchen. Now, I did forget to show you something. I forgot to show you the courtyard. So let's go over here before we hit that primary bedroom and show you the courtyard, which is back through here. Remember the 2 bedrooms on either side. And then we have this little private courtyard here. Everything here is just quality build. All the sliding glass doors, all the frames are really sturdy. Everything's got really good weight to it. So that's something also that you need to keep in mind. And they have this nice little private courtyard here. We have the door there that goes into bedroom number 3. And then we have the door here, which is into bedroom number 4, or you can even make that like an office bedroom suite. Lots of different options here. And of course you can just build the home and customize it to however you like and how it works for you. So let's go ahead and go over to that primary suite. That's the last thing we have to take a look at, which is on the other side of the home. Now, with over 4,300 square feet on one floor, this is a nice size single-story home. One of the biggest single-story homes that I've seen through my years in the real estate industry. So we come over here, we go left, and we have a full bathroom here. And then the primary suites here. Now, yeah, over 4,000 square feet in single story is hard to find. I've seen some huge homes, but they're typically 2 or 3 stories big, but this one here is all on the same story, all on the same floor plan. So as we walk in here, we have our primary bedroom here, suite. We also have tray ceilings. And there is the bed. That gets you an idea of maybe the size of everything else that we've seen in this home. That's a king size bed. And just look at it. Look how much extra space we have here. Now if we go back through here, we do have 2 closets. We have a closet on either side. One person's getting a little bit of gypped, because on this side here is one closet. Still really nice high-end upgrades throughout here. And then we go on the other side, and there's the other closet there. This one's definitely much bigger, probably as big as one of the bedrooms on the other side of the home. So there you go. And then we go over this direction here, and this is the primary bathroom. Has some really nice upgrades as well throughout here. We have our water closet here, and then we have a nice shower that's got a whole bunch of different heads. We got a shower head on either side. We have the handheld one. We also have the rain shower head from the top there, and then also some really nice tile work as well. And then we go down there, there's a door, we'll show you that in a second. And then we have a tub here, and of course, a very, very large vanity here with 2 sinks. And then we also have a towel closet that you can walk into over here. So, but there was a door over here, so let's check out that door. If you actually look through here and then through there, you'll see that we actually have more showering stuff outside. So that goes through this door over here. Open that up, and here is an outside shower. Perfect on a beautiful day like today. You're doing some work outside, or if you're jumping in the pool and want to come and take a quick shower, you can take a shower here, you know, in privacy, and then go ahead and go into the home through this door here into the primary bathroom. So that's this home. Again, it's 4,350 square feet of living inside. It's also got a huge amount of living space outside. Has 4 cars plus garage. And if you want this specific home, you can get it. Just give me a call at 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to help you with it. Their current asking price is $2,050,000. And they do need a 1-year lease back, which means they're going to still be here for a year while they're building a new model. And then they'll lease it back from you for a year, and then after that, it becomes your home. So if you're interested in this, make sure you give me a call. Also, if you're interested in other homes in the Florida area, luxurious homes, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on our video. So thanks for watching. Hope to see some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.